Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone may be too close. Keeping your iPhone at arm's length can protect your eyesight. Okay, this error appears on my iPhone again and again. If you're also facing this kind of error on your iPhone, in this video, I will show you how you can fix that error or how you can turn off that setting on your iPhone and you will never see that error again on your iPhone screen. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, we need to close that error. After that, you need to tap on iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section there are a option screen time. As you can see showing here screen time, tap on screen time, and after that you can see appears on screen a option showing here screen distance. Tap on that. Okay, make sure that feature turn off from that setting in your iPhone. If that feature is turned on, you can see that error again and again, but after turn off that setting you will never see it again on your iPhone. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that kind of error on your iPhone that pop up again and again when your iPhone is too close. So after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.